Hey, what is up everyone? This is 21st June 2023 and as you can see here, we have booked almost 20,943 rupees in the first 2.5 hours in the market. So I was expecting somewhere around 35 to 40k, but I didn't have much time to sit in the market for the whole day. That's why I booked only 20,000 rupees. It was a great trade, and also this was a very good price action trade. And if you really want to know how price action works and how the trade went, jump right into the video and see how the trade went for the day. And we would like to say that we are not SEBI registered analysts and all the videos are for educational purposes. Thank you. Jump right into the video.
Good morning. This is 21st June 2023 and it's 9:89 in the morning. As you can see here, Banknifty has opened in a very good gap up, and from there it has fallen down to fill the gap which has been created in the gap up. So what we can see here, 43,795 has been a very good level in the previous days as well, and after 43,795 it's 43,971. So Banknifty has opened somewhere between that and it is trying to move below 43,800. So there are the cases that we can consider today would be Banknifty making a move like this, or maybe a move further towards the lower side, or else Banknifty moving towards the upside. So these are the three cases that we can consider. But before jumping into any of the trades, we'll just wait for some time and understand how the movement works, and then we'll take it forward from there. So this is what the plan is. So looking at OI, call is trying to move above put, which means there can be some bearishness because PCR was initially above 1 and now it has come down to 0.96. Yes, so put call is trying to gain power, but it's staying almost the same. And if 43,700 ka call is also enhancing towards the upside, then that's where we can confirm that Banknifty is going to go down. Until then, we don't have any confirmation towards the lower side. And if this candle is not properly covered, or if 43,823 is not broken, then we may see Banknifty further coming down further. So the initial view is towards the lower side itself. If the view changes, I'll let you know. Initially, so I have 43,500 PE in my watch list and 44,000 CE. So let's see where market goes. Probably this can cover and go up is what I believe, but let's see. So there should be some resistances over here. Yeah, so I feel Banknifty can take resistance somewhere over 831 or 859, and maybe it can move down from that level as well. So these are the view for the day. We are almost reaching the next level of my resistance, that is 43,971. Banknifty has been like super bullish after taking a low at 43,750, and also OI is shifting according to the upward movement. There is only slight call OI build up at 44,000, which I feel is going to get covered as well by put. So let's just wait for some more time. If 971 is not broken, then again we'll go for a buy in 43,700 PE, as I'd like to take positions only on assets that can be carried forward. If this candle, the 940 candle, is not covering 44,930, then we can expect some bearishness. Otherwise, this is going to go up, or maybe this can give you a consolidation like this until the trend line breaks out, or else once the trend line is tested, it may rise up from there as well. These are the two conditions for the day. So we can see that put has almost trying to, call is almost trying to cover above put, and I feel Banknifty can come down from this level. So I'm going to go by 900 quantities of 43,700 PE. My buy price was at 210, but it is going up. We'll just wait for some time and get our trade. Okay, we'll buy it at here itself. It's not the wisest decision that I've taken because my buy price was around here only, but it's okay. We have gotten it at 218.73 and now The price is at 213.80. Once it goes below, we'll go for an average and we'll get out of the position. So I should have entered in the limit price instead of market price. So newbies, you should be very careful about this trade. Now I know my risk and my reward, thus I'll easily get out of my position. But when you enter in a higher premium and then you see a negative, you tend to exit your position very soon. So please be careful when you enter. Try to enter in limit price itself. I feel market can be on a very good sideways, I mean a very good consolidation today, and then it will break out to any of the range, or it will make a range shift, is what I believe is going to happen. So this is how our PNL looks like. I'll probably get out in a slight loss, or I'll just wait for a break even or a slight profit, because I won't be keeping it much if 43,928 is broken and sustained, or else I'll go for an average with another 900 quantities and easily get out of the position with a decent to break even. Break below 43,859 in order for gaining power towards the lower side. Until then, it can make a move towards the upside like this. This is a rising 4 kind of pattern, but still this can make a move in this way, which will make Bank Nifty more powerful to go towards the upside. So this is how our PNL looks like. It has come down to negative 5,000 or 4,000 something, but I have not booked it there. Let's see. We'll stick to our stop loss today. So all we required was some waiting, as since Bank Nifty was consolidating here and it was not able to break above this level. I was expecting a fall from this level. One more thing is, this trend line has been broken at this level and it was retested as well. So these were the conditions why I have kept the position open, and this is what you can see here in the PNL. So we'll wait for some more time and we'll get out of our position looking at the best exit, and we'll close our trade accordingly. So yeah, that's what I am planning. So there is another problem. There can be a support at day's low which can erode our premium allowed. So I believe we should get out before that. Our PNL has gone into a negative when Bank Nifty went to 43,842. But again, I was sure that if this high is not broken, then Bank Nifty again is going to crash and come down. As you can see here, this is how our PNL looks like. I'll probably book at 255 or around 260 if this goes up till there, or else we'll wait and get out at the right exit. I'm sure this is going to break below this level, as my important level, which is at 43,795, is broken and it is sustaining. So I believe this is going to go up to 250 or 255. Let's just wait and see, because I'm not putting it 255, because if it reaches 255, there are high chances that this can shoot from that level. So we'll just wait for some time, and maybe I'm okay with booking anywhere above 20,000, because that is my target for the day, looking at the market, because market has been on very much volatile in the previous 2 days. So this is what I have in my mind. So let's see what is going to happen in the market. We can see that call is trying to get call is almost building up in 43,800, and we'll have to see, because Bank Nifty is trying to hold at 43,800. I think Bank Nifty is waiting for more call writers to come and take the market down. So we'll see what is going to happen. I am at positive 25,000 profits now. Let's see where this goes. It's almost 10:45 and I have to check out at 11. So I'll have to close my trade probably now. I won't be waiting for bigger profits. I'll just book my profits around this level itself and I'll just get out. So that's what I'm planning. There are high chances that this can act as a rising 3 at this level. So probably we will book our profits right away, as it's not safe to wait till it goes up to till the premium goes up to 242. I was aiming 242, but multiple times it reaches 240 and it is coming down. So I believe it's better to get out of the position right away. But I still believe that this can come till 43,795, which will take our PNL to 242. So I will just put the trigger at 242 and wait is what I'm planning. 242. Yeah, let's see. We'll take it at 242 itself. Let's not be very so much greedy, so we'll just put it at 242 and we'll end our trade is what I believe. So it is going to get triggered very soon. I'm just making sure it is 242. Okay, now the premium has gone down again, which will again will have to wait for another few more minutes. I'm a bit skeptical as this might not trigger because the 43795, the area itself is dangerous for me because that is the line which I have been so much reliant on since the last few days. So let's see. So I could have waited for some more time, but 11 o'clock is my checkout from this hotel, so we'll have to. I don't want to work under pressure. So yeah, that's it. In which was I have put the trigger, so maybe after some time we'll see where Banknifty has gone. So I'm just closing out the live. Right, so we have successfully booked 20,900 rupees. Even though it is going down, I don't have time to sit in the market today, so I have squared it off, or I have just left it there like that. If you can look into my so okay, looking at this, we can see that at 218 I have about 900 quantities and I have sold it off at 242, which is almost 23 points. So yeah, that is well and good for the day. We have booked 20,900 rupees, and also please see the whole video so that you will have a clear idea about how I have taken the trade and how price action exactly works, and you can take these trades and levels as a references because this has been acting powerfully in the previous days as well. So yeah, that's all for the day. Thanks for watching the video, and bye. I'll come and see you with a new video tomorrow.